Well, it's Doors Open around the city this weekend. It's the 15th edition of Doors Open Toronto. As a part of the event, residents get a chance to see inside different locations around the city. It's the largest Doors Open event in the country. It's also one of the largest Doors Opens events anywhere in the world, for that matter. This year's theme is Secrets and Spirits, exploring some of the mysteries behind the door. And earlier we spoke to the director of Toronto Waterfront's BIA, who told us why they're putting on this big event.
Many of the public don't know what it's like to experience being on a ship. We've got charter boats and tall ships, and we're inviting everybody on board to find their way around and experience it, hopefully so they'll return it time and time again.